I'm up here in the beautiful Shawangunk Mountains, just above Ellenville, and 2 years ago we had a devastating fire here, a year and a half ago. Devastating. You can see the acreage and acreage of scalded mountain. But check this out. The fire stopped right here. That's the fire line, folks. These trees were not touched. This tree here that I'm holding is not touched. But right there, that tree was not as fortunate. Half of that tree got it. And this is the fire line. Devastating fire here in it was April or May 2016. Just thought I'd share that with you. Give it a thumbs up if you like that.